Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn how to solve problems on trigonometry. This is practice at 6.2. Previously, we have done problems on practice at 6.1. The link is in the description box. You can see that video. So let's start with the video. Practice set 6.2, question number 1. We have been given a person P, let this be person P, is standing at a distance of 80 meter from a church. So let see the church and looking at the top of the church. So let A be the point of the top of the church. This will be A, and the person is looking up. So this is looking, he is looking up. This will be AP. Now the angle of elevation given is theta, which is 45 degree, and we have to find the height of the church. So height is h. So let h be the height of the church, and the distance of church from the person is PC, which is therefore PC is given, that is 80 meter. This is 80 meter, and we have to find the height of the church, that is height of the church h, which is AE. So for finding the height of the church, we know the formula of tan theta. So tan theta is opposite upon adjacent, or theta is 45 degree, therefore tan 45 degree will be opposite angle to 45 degrees AE. This will be AE upon adjacent side is this, which is PC, and A we have to find, which is H, and PC is 80 meter. So the value of tan 45 is 1, therefore 1 will be equal to H upon 80, therefore H will be equals to 80 meter, therefore the height of the church is 80 meter. Now in question number 2, we have been given there is an observer looking at the ship from the lighthouse at an angle of depression of 60 degree. Suppose this is a lighthouse. Let the lighthouse name be AP, and the person is at point P looking at a ship which is at point C. So, and this is here, and the distance between the ship and the ground of the lighthouse is AC. We have been given the height of the lighthouse is 90 meter. So this is 90 meter, and the angle of depression is given to 60 degree. So let's assume a straight line here. Let this line be M. So angle of depression is the angle made between the straight line and the line of vision. This line PC is line of vision. So PC is the line of vision. Since angle of depression 60 degree, so and this is both are straight line, this will be 90 minus 60, that is 30 degree. So angle APC will be 30 degree, and we have also know that angle AP is 90 meter. So we have to find distance between the ship and the lighthouse, which is AC. So for AC we will use tan theta again. So tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. So tan the theta is here 30 degree. So tan 30 degree will be opposite side is AC upon adjacent is AP. This will be AC upon AB is 90 meter. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So tan 30 is equals to 1 by root 3. This will be equals to AC upon 90 meter. Now, therefore, AC will be equals to 90 by root 3. We can simplify it by multiplying and divide by root 3. So this will become 90 into root 3 upon 3. 3 3s are 9, 0 30s are. This will be AC will be 30 root 3. This can be written as 30 into 1.73. So root 3 is 1.73. So 1.73 into 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 7 are 21, 1, 3 2 the 3, 5 51.9. This will be 51.9 meter. 51.9 meter. Therefore, the ship is 51.9 meter far from the lighthouse. Now in question number 3, we have been given two buildings are facing each other on a road of width 12 meter. So let the distance be AB. So let the width be AB, which is 12 meter. Now from the top of first building, which is 10 meter high, so let this be height of first building, which is AC, 10 meter high. The angle of elevation of the top of second is found to be 60 degree. So the second building, which is higher than first building, is the angle of elevation is 60 degree. So let this be point E, and horizontal from this will be, let this be point ED. We know that AB is 12, and the so let the height of the second building BH. So therefore B will be BD plus DE, and we know that the height will be same till BD. So this will be 10 meter. The width will not change. Therefore CD will be 12 meters. Therefore BD will be equals to 10 meter. So for finding the height H, first we have to find DE. So let DE be X. Let distance DE be X. Now we know the tan theta. So tan theta is opposite upon adjacent. So tan 60 will be opposite side to this is X, which is DE, upon adjacent is 12. Therefore tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 will be equal to D is X upon 12. Therefore X will be 12 root 3. Now therefore height H will be BD plus DE, and we know BD is 10 and DE, which is X, is 12 root 3. Therefore H is 10 plus 12 root 3 meter. Therefore height of second building is 10 plus 12 root 3 meter. Now in question number 4, we have been given two poles of height 18 meter and 7 meter. So let this be first pole, this be AB, this is 18 meter, and the second pole is 7 meter. Also let this be CD, which is 7 meter. Now the length of the wire fastened at the top is 22 meter. So the top of the two poles are tied by a rope which is 22 meter, and we have to find the angle made by the wire with the horizontal. So let the angle made by this will be theta. So let this be point E. So we have to find theta, which is angle ACE. So we have been given the height of pole small, which is 7 meter. So since these both are standing vertically, so BE will be 7 meter. So we can find from that AE. So AE will be AB minus BE. So this will be AB is 18 meter minus BE, which is 7 meter. So this will be 11 meter. Therefore AE is 11. So for finding theta, we can use some trigonometric function which includes the hypotenuse side and the opposite side. So we can use here sin theta. So sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse. So sin theta will be opposite, which is AE, upon hypotenuse, which is AC. AE is we found, which is 11, and AC is 22. So 11 2s are, this will be half. So therefore sin theta will be half. So for finding theta, we will use theta is equals to sin inverse of half, which will be so sin 30 is half. Therefore theta will be 30 degree. Therefore the angle made by the wire with the horizontal is 30 degree. Now in question number 5, a storm broke a tree and the tree top rested 20 meter height from the base. So initially there was a tree. Let the height of the tree was h. Now we have been told that a storm came, because of which the tree broke and landed at a height of 20 meter from the base. So this is tree. Suppose the tree broke from here and it landed at a distance of 20 meter from the base. So this will be 20 meter. Let this be A, B, C, and this is the tree top that broke. So the tree landed and make an angle of 60 degree with the horizontal. So we have to find the height of the tree, which is initial height. So for that we will first find the height of, first we will find AB, then we will find hypotenuse, then add both. Basically height will be AB plus BC. Therefore for finding first AB, we will use tan theta. So tan theta is opposite, which is AB, and adjacent, which is AC. So this will be AB is not known and AC is 20 meter. So tan theta is tan 60. This will be AP upon 20. Therefore AB will be 20 and tan 60 is root 3. Therefore AB will be 20 root 3. Therefore AB is 20 root 3. Now we have to find the hypotenuse side. For finding the hypotenuse, over here we can use sin theta. So sin theta is opposite upon hypotenuse, which is opposite side is AB and hypotenuse is BC. And theta is 60 degree. Therefore sin 60 is equals to AB by BC. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, and AB we know this is 20 by root 3. Upon BC we have to find. So BC will be 20 into 2, which is 40. Therefore BC is 40 meter. Now height of the tree is AB plus BC, which is 20 root 3 plus 40 meter. Therefore, the height of the tree is 40 plus 20 root 3 meter. Question number 6, we have been given a kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. So let there be a ground level. The kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. So this is kite K, and the kite is attached to a string, and the string makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. So let this be point C and this be A. This makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. So we have to find the assuming the string is straight, we have to find the length of the string, which is CK. So let the length of the string be CK, and the height of the kite from the ground is 60 meter. So we have to find the CK. Basically, we have to find the hypotenuse side. So we will use the sine theta, which is opposite upon hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is CK. So sine and theta is 60 degree. Therefore, sine 60 will be opposite is 60 upon CK. So this will be sine 60 is root 3 by 2. This will be equals to 60 upon CK. So CK will be 60 into 2 upon root 3. We can simplify this by multiplying and dividing by root 3. So this will be 60 into 2 into root 3 upon 3. 3 2 is 6, 0. So this will be 20 2, which is 40 root 3. This will be 40 into 1.73. 1.73 into 4, 4 3 are 12, 4 7 28, 129, 4 is 4, 62, 692, sorry. This will be 69.2 meter. Therefore, the length of the string will be 69.2 meter. Thank you.